What's the difference between confidence and arrogance? For many, we equate confidence with arrogance. For others, they appear much different. When confidence is accompanied by humility, it can be quite positive. On the other hand, confidence without humility likely becomes arrogance. Referencing the focus spectrum, confidence without humility aligns with red side focus and keeps us from realizing our potential, as focus is generally on self. Confidence with humility moves to the green side of the focus spectrum, where focus is placed on others. To further articulate this, the confidence-humility model highlights the connection between confidence, humility, potential, and the need to engage others. In this model, humility relates to the requisite to engage others in the pursuit of potential. By the way, a synonym for the word humility is humble, so these words can be interchanged. Let's jump into each of the 4 quadrants of the confidence-humility model. Quadrant 1, low confidence and low humility. This is when a person lacks confidence and humility. They are clearly on the red side of the focus spectrum. The quote that applies to people in this quadrant is, "I don't have potential, so I don't need others." This type of person may be self-deprecating and spends most of their time on the red side of the focus spectrum. They do not take initiative in pursuit of meaningful outcomes and don't value their worth. Quadrant 2, low confidence with high humility. Someone with low confidence and high humility, meaning they are very humble, feels as though they don't have potential, and as a result, they rely on others to accomplish goals. They may rely on others too much, as they are afraid to move forward and need a security blanket. Quadrant 3, high confidence and low humility. This person tends to believe they are on the green side of the focus spectrum, high confidence, but lacks the humility to learn and grow from others. Improving humility will aid this person in becoming a better leader. You may already have a picture of someone in your mind that fits this description. It is likely they are arrogant, talk about their accomplishments repeatedly, and are not curious about your accomplishments. They may treat people they believe are lower than them on the organizational chart differently than they treat their senior leaders. Quadrant 4, high confidence and high humility. The final and highest level in the confidence-humility model. This is someone that understands that they can learn, grow, and pursue their potential, and it is critical they engage others in this pursuit. By working together with others, everyone will develop their skills and increase the likelihood they will maximize their potential. This type of person spends a significant amount of time on the green side of the focus spectrum, but is humble enough to ensure sufficient time is spent analyzing various impacts before deciding, or red side focus. The confidence-humility model acts as a spectrum, meaning sometimes I can be operating in quadrant 1, while others I can be operating in quadrant 4. The key is to identify your dominant theme and work towards increasing the time spent in quadrant 4, where others feed off your desire for growth by working together.